How to fix Battlefield 6 stuck on loading screen PC. So I'm going to guide you through how to fix the issue where Battlefield 6 gets stuck on the loading screen. Now this process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Now if your game is hanging when you first launch it, it often isn't actually crashed. Usually the game is just working really hard to compile shaders in the background and the visual display gets stuck while it thinks. So before restarting anything, try this simple refresh trick. Simply press Windows plus D on your keyboard to minimize the game and return to the desktop, then wait for a few moments and then click on the Battlefield icon on your taskbar which you minimized. This should force the graphics to refresh. And you often see the loading percentage jump forward immediately as well. Now, if the refresh trick doesn't work for you and the bar hasn't moved for a long time, the game is likely frozen and we need to force it to close completely. So what we can do is a clean restart. You need to simply press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard and then choose Task Manager, which is right here. Then in the list of running applications, simply choose Battlefield 6 and then right click on it and you will find an option of end task. You need to just simply go and end the task. This will cut the connection immediately without waiting for the game to close itself. Now that it's fully closed, you need to go ahead and relaunch the game and it should now work properly. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.